Coming into land there, guys, is the Emirates A380.
Yeah, it is.
It's an 11-year-old aircraft that came into service in October 2011. The registration is Alpha 6-Echo Delta Victor. It's just travelled for 7 hours and 10 minutes to Manchester. So I'll let you enjoy the landing of the Emirates A380.
Yeah, that's Emirates. Yeah, that's the smaller one, guys. She's not the big one. This is the wrong size one. That's coming in. This is the wrong size one. There's one much bigger to this. She's Expo, and that's the wrong size. You don't see this one. This is only. You have to get the other one. Yeah, it's Emirates.
It's the Emirates A380 861, so you know.
This is the smaller one. This is the one that they're taking out of service. Yeah, it is Emirates. Oh, there it is. Yeah.